Got USDT sitting in your SafePal wallet and wondering how on earth to move it to Binance? You're not alone. Crypto transfers can feel super confusing at first. But don't worry, in this video, I'm breaking it all down, step by step. No tech jargon, no stress, just simple instructions you can follow right now. Let's turn that crypto confusion into confidence. Before we begin, here's what you'll need. Your SafePal wallet with USDT in it, your seed phrase, just in case, don't share it, a verified Binance account, and access to both apps, SafePal and Binance. If you are in seed phase, this is very sensitive. Never share this phrase with anyone. Anyone who has it can take all your crypto. I'm just repeating it here because you gave it to me, but please keep it offline and private going forward. All right, first let's open your SafePal wallet and check what network your USDT is on. USDT can exist on multiple networks, like Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, or Tron. To check, tap on your USDT token in SafePal, look at the top. It will show the network name. Example, if you see TRC20, you'll want to use the Tron network when withdrawing or depositing to Binance. This step is super important because sending crypto to the wrong network can result in losing your funds. Now let's grab your Binance deposit address for USDT. Open the Binance app, tap on Wallet, deposit, select USDT, choose the same network as the one in SafePal, and copy the USDT deposit address Binance gives you. Think of this like giving your SafePal wallet a destination to send your USDT, like writing the recipient's address on a letter. Next, go back to SafePal and send your USDT to Binance. Open SafePal, tap on your USDT token, tap Send, paste the Binance deposit address, enter the amount you want to transfer, double-check the network, tap Next, and confirm the transaction. That's it. The transaction will be sent. You'll usually see it show up in Binance within a few minutes, but it depends on the network traffic. If you're on Tron, it's usually fast. If you're using Ethereum, it may take longer and cost more in gas fees. After sending, just wait a bit and keep checking your Binance wallet. You can also tap the transaction ID in SafePal to view it on the blockchain. Check if it says confirmed, then check your Binance wallet. Your USDT should show up there. And boom, your funds have successfully moved from SafePal to Binance. Don't do the following 3 common mistakes when moving USDT: using the wrong network, sending to the wrong address, not having enough gas fees in your wallet, like a small amount of TRX for Tron or BNB for Binance Smart Chain. Always keep a little bit of the native coin in your wallet to cover these fees. That's all it takes to move USDT from SafePal to Binance safely and easily. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple crypto guides. Got questions or a topic you want me to cover next? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.